Good morning everyone. Myself Dr. Abha Bhalla. Today I am going to discuss Atmanirbhar success plan of Vestige with you. This success plan is valid from June 2020 to December 2020. It is specially designed to give an equal opportunity to each and every individual, those who join this business. It is an accumulative plan in which you never slide down from your existing level and ascend upwards towards the ladder of success. As we all know, the world is facing a big crisis in the form of corona. India is also suffering too much. According to survey, 24% of the population had been unemployed. That means approximately 1/4 of the population does not have any employment, any job or any business. Small businesses had also crashed down. Many of the people are saying they are having no income. In order to contribute in this situation, Vestige had changed its plan, which was never been changed in the past 16 years. It is only done in order to grow, in order to provide an opportunity to create income. Look friends, FMC, now you were thinking how could Vestige contribute in this situation? Vestige offers business in FMCG products. Either you are sitting in a lockdown position or you wherever you are, you might be bathing, you might be brushing, you might be washing your clothes, you might be washing your utensils. Whatever the products you daily require are called fast moving consumer goods, that is FMCG products. Vestige deals in these products. You might be buying these products from the market itself, but you didn't get any sort of income from there. From Vestige you can get this income. Look friends, now here I want to explain you the market distribution system of income. Any product which is manufactured by the company is manufactured in only 40% and you as a customer get it in the 100%. Customer doesn't go to the company to take the product. He goes to a retailer. Retailer goes to the wholesaler. Wholesaler goes to the agencies. And whatever product prepared, manufactured by this company is informed to the customer with the help of advertisements. What do you think? All these retailer, wholesaler, advertisers and everyone are doing this job in charity. They are not earning anything. No dear friends, retailer are taking their 10%, wholesaler 10%, agencies 10% and the big amount 30% is being taken by the advertisers. Now tell me friends, this 60% money belongs to whom? It belongs to the customer itself, and unfortunately we are part of this type of system from years and years. We do not know that we are giving the huge amount of money, the creamy layer of our income to them. Why don't you use this money for your growth itself? You can do it with the help of Vestige. Now let me explain what the FMCG product Vestige produces for you. Vestige produces a huge category of products. Number one of them is personal care product. Soap, hand wash, liquid detergent, soap, hand wash, paste, your toothbrushes, your shampoos, creams, everything are produced by Vestige. Home care products, you get detergent here, you get washing liquid, you get dishwasher, you get the floor cleaner, toilet cleaner, all you have to buy from the market. Okay, then skincare products are also there, beauty care products are also there, health food is also there, cooking oil, tea, coffee, these are the part of everybody's life. Am I right? Then agriculture products are also there. There is huge variety of products for male person, especially for male skin also. Then one more important product is air purifier. Air purifier is very good because it deals with it absorbs all the viruses and bacteria present in our indoors, and also the impurities which is present, is any sort of odor. It is certified by British Council that it does it. Okay, then Vestige Vestige has water purifier also, which is very good if you go through it. Then the big one is Best Deal. Best Deal offers groceries for us, kitchen appliances, mobiles, kids wear, our clothings, all we have to buy. So why not from Vestige? Now friends, let me explain the marketing plan with you. This marketing plan has 9 types of income. Okay, previously the marketing plan of Vestige had 7 types of income, but currently it has 9 types of income. First income is savings on your consumption. When you go to the market and buy the products, you usually get the products in MRP, or some 1 or 2 rupees is being left by the merchants. Here you get 10 to 20% discount on each and every product which you get after the joining to Vestige. Okay, the other benefit is Vestige offers 10% repurchase offer, which is valid from 2nd to 17th of the month. Third is the consistency offer. Consistency offer is of 2 types. Consistency offer is valid from 2nd to the 12th of every month. Sometimes it changes due to some circumstances, but it is the fixed date is 2nd to 12th. Consistency offer is of 2 types. One is of 100 PV and one is of 60 PV. 100, what does 100 PV mean? If you buy products worth 100 PV, means 100 point values are produced whatever the products are bought, and you did this work for 4 months successively, you will get products of 2500 rupees of your choice in the 5th month. Now the second one, 60 PV. If you buy the products of 60 PV in 4 successive months, you will get 1250 rupees fixed product in the 5th month. These were all savings on consumption, means this was the first benefit from Vestige. Second benefit is performance bonus. You get performance bonus from 5 to 11%. Now let me describe the criteria. When your business lie between 1 to 599 PV, you are within 5% slab. That means the performance bonus allotted to you will be 5%. If you lie between 600 to 2399 PV, then you will get 8% of the performance bonus. If you lie between 2400 PV to 5499 PV, then you will get 10% of performance bonus. As soon as you get go above the 5500 PV, you will get 11%. At that time, if you maintained 2001 PV in that month, you will be considered as bronze director, and you will get another income, that is bronze director bonus. Before describing the bronze director bonus, let me tell you the fast start plans. Vestige has 2 fast start plans. What does fast start mean? Fast means you have done the business fastly. You have started the business fastly. If any of the distributor does 282 PV in a single business month, mind it, in a single business month, then you will be considered as fast start 8%. Now look, in 282 PV, you could get 5% commission, but here under fast start plan, you will get 8% commission, and company will also give you products of 750 rupees as a gift. Okay. Another fast start plan is fast start director, fast start bronze director. That means you will see to up to the bronze director level, the cumulative PV is 5500 PV. But you and your team, if you all did 4500 PV in a single business month, you will be considered as fast start bronze director, and here you get 1100 rupees products as a gift from the company. Now the third income, that is bronze director bonus. Bronze director bonus is 4%. When you become bronze director, you will get this type of income. Another is business building bonus. Now what is building business bonus? Look friends, when you are bronze director and a single person in the first leg of yours breaks into bronze director and you maintain your side PV, then you will be considered as silver director. From silver director level, you get business building bonus, that is 14%. From silver director onwards, you get one more type of income. You can get one more type of income, that is LOB, leadership overriding bonus, which was previously given 15%, but now it is raised to 16%. If your single leg qualifies 5625 PV in a single month, single business month, then LOB is generated for you, and it is the biggest income in Vestige plan. One more income which gets started in silver director level, that is travel fund. Travel fund is provided up to 5%, which starts on the level of silver director. Another income is car fund. In car fund, you must qualify star director level for 3 months successively. It is given 5%. Then the other income is house fund. House fund, you are eligible for house fund at the level of crown director level. You should maintain crown director level for 3 months successively, and house fund is given 3%. Now the biggest income in Vestige, that is elite fund. It is the new income which is applicable only on for the level of DCDs and DUCDs. That means double crown director and double universal crown director, and it is given 2%, and the capping for that is 20 lakh rupees. Okay, this was all about Vestige Atmanirbhar plan. If you like the video, please like it, share our video to other people also, subscribe our channel, and please hit the bell button. Thank you so much. Wish you well.